back to my channel! For today's video ay gagawa na naman tayo ng kakaiba at ang kakaibang yon ay why not we learn together in this channel. So naisipan kong gumawa ng mga videos na nakaka-benefit sa inyo and sa akin na rin kasi gusto kong matuto tayo with one another. So naisipan ko nagagawa ng series about this. Ang naisipan kong title ay Learn with Elisha! For today's episode, naisipan ko na ang unang-unang episode ko ay the things you should know before buying a plant. I'm just gonna say that I am not an expert in plants or anything about plants. I'm just a beginner and lahat ng i-share ko sa inyo today ay mga own experiences ko lang din na na-learn ko during the first times na naging plant parent din ako. So if you wanna learn the things you should know before becoming a first-time plant parent, then let's learn together. The first tip that I am going to share to you is that you should ask and prepare yourself first. What I mean about this is ask yourself kung gaano ka ba talaga ka-committed na maging plant parent. Kasi ang pagiging plant parent ay napakalaking responsibilidad niya. Hindi lang siya basta-basta nakikiuso ka lang. Kailangan maging responsible ka enough para ma-take care mo lahat ng plants mo. Hindi ko lang alam sa ibang pets, pero kasi madami kaming aso dito sa bahay and mas hirapan akong mag-take care ng plants kasi nga talagang zero knowledge ako about the plants. Aside sa kailangan nila ng tubig at sunlight, yun lang talaga yung alam ko dati. Pero ngayon na mas knowledgeable na ako about it, marami pa palang silang mas kailangan pa at iba-iba pa talaga yung mga kailangan nila per plant. First, you should know that some plants need more maintenance than others. So be sure and be honest about how much time you are willing to spend in taking care of them. Ask yourself on what kind of care commitment are you willing to make. Also, you should ask yourself kung may mga pets ka ba or mga small children kasi some plants may be toxic to your children or to your pets. Next tip that I'm going to share to you is that do a little research. If not little, then more research. Pero kung hindi ka mahilig sa research, ay pues, kailangan mo talagang maging mahilig sa research. Kasi kailangan mong mag-research before and after buying a plant. Ay, hindi na pala before and after. During din siya, guys. Kasi taking care of plants is a learning process. Hindi siya agad-agad. Kaya kailangan mag-research ka. Kung hindi online, then sa sarili mo. Like, mag-experiment ka kung ano ba talaga yung mabuti para sa plant mo. Kasi in the end, kahit ilang care tips pa ang panunoorin mo sa YouTube, ay ikaw lang din talaga ang makakaalam kung ano yung maging mabuti para sa plant mo. Also, bakit kailangan mong mag-research? Kasi nga, di ba, pag pupunta tayo sa mga local nurseries natin, or kahit titingin tayo online, kasi alam ko ang dami-dami na online na pag browse mo talagang nakakahilo siya dahil ang ganda-ganda. Like, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo talagang kunin. Kaya be sure to research first before buying that certain plant. And one thing na masasuggest ko sa inyo kapag bibili kayo ng plant, ay gumawa kayo ng list ng mga gusto nyong plants. Yung mga plants na pwedeng-pwede sa bahay nyo. And yung mga plants na kayang-kaya mong alagaan. The next tip that I am going to share to you is pick the right spot for your plants. So sa pagiging plant parent, hindi mo lang iisipin yung plants mo, iisipin mo rin talaga yung space kung saan mo sila ilalagay. So, ang common mistake ng mga beginners ay iniisip muna nila kung ano yung plant na bibili nila bago nila alamin kung saan ito ilalagay. So, mali yun, guys. Dapat alamin muna natin kung saan natin ilalagay yung plant or kung anong plant ang pwedeng ilagay doon sa space na gusto mo before buying the plant. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta na gusto ko tong plant na to, ito na yung ilalagay ko dito. So, you should always know where to put your plants first. Okay? Dito naman tayo sa during. Kapag nakabili ka na ng plant, ito naman yung tips na gusto kong i-share para sa inyo. Yes, naka-decide na kayo kung anong plant ang ilalagay nyo sa specific space na yan. But ito yung pinakamahirap. It's how to maintain your plants. Plant care is something that you should always think about before and after you buy a plant. First thing that you should know is that be mindful of the light. Pero iba-iba din naman sila pagdating sa sunlight kasi yung iba gusto yung shady, yung iba partial shade, yung iba talagang full sun yung kailangan nila. So, you should also know about that. Also, you should know the direction kung saan nakaharap yung plants nyo. For example, Pero talagang mostly sa kanila, sa south-facing window nila nilalagay yung mga plants nila. Especially yung mga plants na kailangan ng bright light. Enough about the sun, let's move on to the soil. You should always check your soil. Kailangan mo ding alamin kung what type of soil do you have. Pero personally kasi sa amin, since beginner pa din kami, ang ginagamit lang muna namin as of now ay garden soil and iba-ibang potting mix na. Like, nakamix na siya agad kasi hindi pa kami expert sa mga soil na yan. Kasi minsan, kailangan mo din alamin yung mga specific soil na kailangan ng plants nyo. Next is that you should step away from your watering can. This is the most intense part of taking care of your plants. Yung pagwawater nyo ng plant. Kasi kung hindi mo sila iwawater enough, mamamatay sila. Pero kung iwa-water mo naman din sila ng sobra-sobra, ay mamamatay din sila. And guys, did you know that the main reason why plant beginners kill their plants, it's because they overwater it. Like, sa gustong-gusto nating maalagaan sila, talagang gusto nating i-water sila ng i-water. So, hindi din pala siya dapat kasi anything na kulang and sobra ay hindi din pala talaga mabuti. My best advice to you is that before you water your plants, you should always check the soil first. Kung moist pa ba siya, or basa pa siya, or dry na siya. Kasi, yung how often you should water your plants depends on the type of plant that you have. And again, you should always remember that every plant has a slightly different care routine. Right now, I am going to share to you my secret. Kasi nga, hindi mga ako expert, beginner lang din ako, katulad nyo. Kaya, ang secret ko ay... This is a 3-way soil meter and talagang tutulungan ako ng bonggang-bongga nito as a plant parent beginner. Thank you so much. 3-way siya, it's because this soil meter can check on how moist your soil is, measure the light that your plant receives, and the acidity or the pH level of your plant. So, like, lahat ng plants, ganun ko. Which is hindi dapat, guys. Like, hindi dapat talagang tutukan mo yung plants mo. Basta, sasabihin ko sa inyo later bakit. Pero, if you're a plant beginner, then you should consider buying this. Kasi, promise, guys, this is a life changer. Next is, don't pressure yourself and your plants. Doon muna tayo sa self nyo. Kailangan, the plants that we're going to buy are the plants that will make us happy. Yung parang pagkita mo na talaga na, akin ka. Sa akin ka, plants. Make sure to be realistic. Avoid impulsive buying. Because you should buy muna the plants that are easy to take care of. And you should not be pressured on the things you see on social media. Kasi alam ko ngayon, guys, napakadami yung friends and napakadami yung fina-follow na artista, kaibigan, kapamilya na napakaganda ng mga plants nila at kada post nila ng plant nila ay naiinggit ka. It's okay to feel that way. Pero, be realistic again. Kasi hindi ka pa naman ready para alagaan yun. Eh, wag ka munang bumili. For example, yung artista plant, yung Monstera deliciosa. So, yun yung pinaka-artista plant ngayon, no, na talagang pinagkakaguluhan ng mga tao. Wala namang problema kung bumili ka ng Monstera plant if you have the money or if you already know on how to take care of that specific plant, then go ahead. Wala namang pumipigil sa yung bumili. Go ahead. But, if you're like me, na natatakot ka pang mag-take care ng mga expensive plants kasi talaga yung Monstera deliciosa, napakamahal niya, guys. Honestly, gustong-gusto ko siya and naiinggit talaga ako sa mga tao na may Monstera. Pero, naging realistic lang ako kasi matatakot ako, what if mamamatay lang din siya sa akin? Kasi may Monstera Adansonii ako, guys, na Adansonii or Adansonii? I don't know. Pero may Monstera na din ako, pero hindi siya deliciosa. And, namamatay siya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Tutukan ko na talaga siya. Pero, hindi ko alam kung anong mali ginawa. Kung wag muna. Hindi ko naman sinasabing wag ever. Wag muna. Like, be ready first. Reflect first on yourself. Pero if you have the money and you really want to try it, then go ahead. Just go. Push mo lang. So, doon naman tayo sa don't pressure your plans. So, nagtataka kayo, nape-pressure yung plants? Para sa akin, guys, oo. Feel ko talagang nape-pressure sila. Yung pag may nakikita akong new leaf na lumalabas sa aking plant, talagang, gandang-ganda talaga ako sa mga new leaves. Hindi din pala siya pwede kasi, bibigyan ko kayo ng example. Ito. Itong Caladium bicolor ko kasi talaga ang ganda-ganda nitong pagbili ko. Thank you so much to Meet Your Garden. Go ahead and follow and buy from her. And yun, talagang ang ganda-ganda nito pagbili ko. Tapos yung sunod-sunod kasi yung growth niya. And talagang ang saya-saya ko kasi, oh my gosh, ang bilis namang mag-grow. Pinessure ko siya, tinignan ko lang siya and all. Ganito yung nangyari, namatay. Sunod-sunod din yung death niya. Ewan ko lang kung this is true. If you're a pro plant parent, then let me know if this is true. Pero personally sa akin, talagang yung tinutukan ko yung plant ko ng bonggang-bongga. Kung hindi siya mamamatay, feel ko bumabagal or pumapangit yung growth niya. So, ang tip ko lang para sa inyo ay let your plants enjoy their growth. Diba? Okay, so second to the last tip that I am going to share to you is that adopt a plant. So, kung gusto mo palang naman magsimula na maging plant parent, at kung natatakot ka pang bumili ng sarili mong plant, then I suggest na mag-adopt ka muna ng plants. Ask your family members or your friends kung mayroon ba silang extra plant or kung may planta ba sila na hindi gaanong naaalagaan, then you can adopt your plants. I'm going to share to you a story. Before ako bumili ng own plant ko, ay binigyan ako ng friend ko ng plant. Thank you so much to my friend and to her sister. Binigyan nila ako ng plant. Ito. Yung binigay nila sa akin yan, maganda na siya, and binentain ko lang siya ng bonggang-bongga kasi syempre, bigay nga sa akin, diba? Hindi ko siya hiningi, guys, ha? Okay lang manghingi, pero yung akin, hindi ko siya hiningi kasi hindi ako nag-expect na bibigyan nila ako ng plant. So, parang yung pagbigay nila sa akin ng plant, ay parang ginawa ko siyang sign na, ay, OMG, parang nag-trust sila sa akin na kaya kong alagaan yung plant na to. So, why not trust myself also? Starting nun, nung binigyan ako ng plant, a few days later, talagang pumunta ako sa local grocery. Sa local nursery namin dito sa Davao. And dun ako nag-start bumili ng mga plants. So, if you're looking for a sign to start your plant journey, then this is a sign that you are looking for. Ako yung sign. Ako yung binigay ni Lord sa iyo na sign para mag-alaga ka na ng plant. Ako yun, girl. I'm an angel in disguise. Also, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na now is the best time to become a plant parent because you have the time to learn, experiment, and give them the care that they deserve. Last but definitely not the least, I want to tell you guys that you should enjoy your purchase. Mga lahat ng sinabi ko, magagawa nyo yun if na-enjoy nyo yung purchase nyo. Kapag gustong-gusto mo kasi yung plant, mas na-excite kang alagaan siya. I just wanna share this quote to you guys. Plants of various sizes, shapes, and shades do more than serve as a backdrop for your Instagram photos. They also provide mental and physical perks. So as we nurture and nourish our plants, we may notice multitude of benefits. So that is it for this episode of Learn with Elisha! I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, comment down below. So malalaman din ng iba na talagang helpful tong video na to. Kung magaling ka na talaga sa plants, then comment down below kung may na-miss ako or may mali akong nasabi. Go ahead so we could all learn together. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, to click the post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah!